Hi there. Today we are going to practice going greatest and least up to 1,000. So we're going to practice ordering our numbers, greatest, least, okay? So, a school's fire drill performance was measured from day to day. On which day was the response time the slowest? So when we're thinking of time, slowest, is that the lowest number or the highest number? Think of a race. If you're racing, do you want to have the slowest time or the fastest time? Right. The slowest times are going to be the ones at the back, at the end. So we need to pick the day that has the greatest number. 73, 44, 4, 25, 18. Can we look at any right away and say, you know what? No way can it be this number? 4 is one of them. 4 was super fast. 4 minutes? That's like super fast. And then what would be next? 73, 44, 25, or 18? Well, teens would be next. Then the 20s, which means it's either 73 or 44. Which day would be the slowest, meaning the highest number? Monday or Tuesday? Monday is 73 is greater than 44. A company tracks how many employees are late for work each day. Which day had the most late employees? Now, this isn't a time question, so we're just looking at numbers. They want to know which day had the most late. So we have 44, 11, 16, 95, 89. Right away, can I eliminate any? Meaning the lower numbers. Because we want to know the most late, so we want the highest. So 11 isn't going to work, and neither is 16. See, I cross it out so I might not get distracted or confused. So I have 44, 95, and 89. Well, I know 44 isn't going to work. I know that 89 and 95 are both higher than that. So which is it? Which number is greater, 89 or 95? 95 is. So that means Thursday was the day where most people were late. Caitlin counts how many people sneezed during math class 1 week. Which day had the most sneezes? So we want the highest number again. Most sneezes. Let's cross them out. Monday won't work. 3. That's not a lot. Neither is 4. And neither is 11. So that means I'm between 97 and 94. And we want to know the most, so we want to know which one is greater. Is it 97 or 94? Which is higher? 97 is. So that means Tuesday was the day with the most sneezes. Caleb counts how many people sneezed during math class. Which day had the most? So this is like our last problem, but we're using different numbers. Okay, we still want the most sneezes. 18, 9, 95, 71, 11. Let's get rid of the lowest. 18 is low. 9 is low. 95 and 71 are high. And 11 is low. So look, now I'm between two numbers. Which is greater, 95 or 71? 95 is good job. So that means that Wednesday was the sneeziest day of the week. A school's fire drill performance was measured from day to day. On which day was the response time the slowest? Okay, back to the time thing. Slowest here for time means the highest number. We want the greatest number. Okay, 30, 89, 60, 97, 19. So where are our lowest numbers? 19 is low. 97 is high. 60 kind of is. 89 is high. About 30. No, compared to the others, that's pretty low. So that means between 89, 60, and 97, one of those is the slowest day. And I know 60 is not as high as 89 or 97, so I can cross it out. So what do we have left? 89 and 97. Which is higher? 97 is. That's really close to 100. So that means Thursday was the slowest response time. Nathan plays basketball every day and keeps score of how many points he scores. Which day did he score the least? So least means lowest. Lowest. 2, 65, 11, 92, 3. So we don't want high numbers. What are some of the high numbers we can cross out? 65 is high. 11, maybe. 92 is high. Okay, 2, 11, 3. Which one of those is the lowest? Which is the least? 2 is. 2 is really close to 1 and 0, so that's the lowest. So that means Monday was the day that he scored the least. Next, Addison plays basketball every day and keeps score of how many points she scores. Which day did Allison score the least? Okay, so it's like the last one, different numbers. And again, we want the least, the lowest. 12, 5, 73, 95, and 10. Which day is the lowest? Let's eliminate the high ones. 95 is high, 73 is high. So look at what we have left, which is the lowest. 5 is good, so that means Tuesday she scored the lowest. Alexa counts how many birds land on the bird feeder each day. Which day had the least amount of birds? We want least amount, so lowest. 65, 4, 5, 43, 66. Because we want the lowest, let's get rid of the high numbers. 65 is high. What else can I cross out? Really anything with double digits, so 65, 43, and 66. Look, that leaves us with 4 and 5. And because we want the least, which is lower, 4 or 5? 4 is lower, so that means Tuesday she saw the least amount of birds. Next, Darren plays basketball every day and keeps score of how many points he scores. Which day did Darren score the least? Okay, what do we want? Greatest or least? We want least, we want lowest. That's why I'm drawing those arrows. It's a little symbol to help me remember. Okay, so least means lowest. So what can we eliminate? Let's eliminate 23 and 15. They're both double digits. We want lower than that. So I have 5, 4, and 2. Which one of those is the lowest, the least? 2. 2 is closest to 1 or 0. So that means Friday he scored the least amount of points. Let's do one more. A company tracks how many employees are late for work each day. Which day had the least number of lates? We want least number of lates. Lowest. So let's look. 36 is high. 31 is high. 91 is really high. So I'm stuck between 11 and 6. Which is lower? 6 is. So that means Monday was the least amount of late people. Great job today.